I dare you to try this fun little art challenge that I've created for myself. This is an exercise I like to do to practice portrait drawing, and you can do this in your sketchbook or digitally on a tablet. The goal of this exercise is to get a little bit better at portrait drawing, so you should definitely try it out. Draw 50 faces. That is the name of this challenge. And here are the rules I created for this. Using reference, draw 50 faces. First 10 have to be in a realistic style. The second 10 had to be in a semi-realistic style. The next 10 had to be in your own style. And after that, had to be your own characters. The last 10 had to be your favorite characters from any show, movie, cartoon, or anime. There's no time limit, but I got this done in about 2 days. I ended up drawing most of these in more of a semi-realistic style rather than just a realistic one, but that's fine. I'm just practicing, and that's all this challenge really is. Putting in time to practice drawing faces so that I can get better at drawing my own characters in my own style. I like to do the realistic and semi-realistic first so that I can improve my fundamental portrait drawing skills. And practicing the fundamental drawing techniques will eventually just help me draw stylized portraits later on in the challenge. So the 30 stylized portraits are the most fun because we get to draw people and characters in our own style. And at this point, you should draw your own original characters. So 10 of your own original characters and 10 of your favorite characters.
It's rejoin.
Some characters that I practiced drawing, some of my favorite characters I drew were Naruto and Sasuke, characters from Dragon Ball, Vegeta and Goku, Demon Slayer characters, Avatar The Last Airbender characters, and some Radiant characters. Like I said, that part of the challenge is just all about having fun and learning how you can implement other people's styles into your own work, especially for like these last character drawings where you draw your favorite characters. It's about having fun, learning, taking the skills that you learned from drawing the semi-realistic style and implementing them into your own style. So these are all the drawings that I've created, and I actually went in and colored and finished my original characters because that was just fun to do. But this is a great exercise if you want to improve your portrait drawing. So let me know if you decide to do this and what are some other ways that you like to practice drawing portraits. Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.